Hi Aquarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Aquarius, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys, we are picking these cards, Aquarius. If you want more clarity, guys, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance, Aquarius. So let's see what are these cards, guys. So we have the moon in reverse, 10 of stars and 8 of moons. So in your situation, Aquarius, it may be in your career situation or it may be in your relationship. Maybe for some of you, you are feeling really weird. Your circumstances are something, but your intuition or in your heart of hearts, you may feel certain way about your circumstances. So you feel that you cannot, go the way you like to go. Maybe your intuition is guiding you in such a way, guys, and you feel really confused. You don't know what to do, which way to decide for yourself. It may be in your work situation or in your relationship, guys. So a lot of you feel exhausted. You have a lot of things going on in your mind. You are thinking which way to go or what to do for your work or in your relationship, and you feel really disappointed that you have put yourself in this circumstance today, unable to handle this situation because you do not see a way out today, guys. Maybe something stressing you or pressuring you to decide or think ahead with clarity, but you are really confused. You don't know what is the right thing to do. That is the reason for anxiety or stress, and you feel really that you have done a mistake taking up a choice or doing something you are regretting today. So that is the reason for your disappointments you are seeing, and you want peace of mind and happiness, and you are trying your best to handle this situation, but you are afraid what will happen to this relationship, what will happen to this person, what they will think or what will be the outcome. So there is also fear you have in your mind regarding your circumstance. So you are afraid to tell them what is there in your mind because you fear them leaving you, guys. So that is the reason you are keeping quiet. You don't want to speak what you are thinking because you fear them leaving you. That is the reason, Aquarius. So that is what I see, guys. So it may be a situation in your relationship or it may be some circumstance you are unable to speak because you fear some kind of a financial loss in your career situation, guys. So that is what I see, guys. So though we see negative energy with these cards, it may just be a caution, something telling us to be more careful. So we need not be worried, guys, Aquarius. So that is the reading for y'all today, guys. Aquarius, thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Aquarius. For your love reading, guys. We have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So whichever card you want to choose, you can first close your eyes, think about your situation, then open your eyes, choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys. So now let's see what is the card for those who chose this card. So I will keep this card aside. So we will see what is this card first. It is an angel card, guys. So I pick cards randomly from the deck for you all, guys. So we have an angel card. It just means angels are here guiding us today in your circumstance, and this card stands for strength, protection and courage. So in your situation, maybe you may have some kind of a dream, a vision in your situation guiding you, aligning your life maybe to fulfill your purpose. So whatever you love to do, maybe you may suddenly feel inclined to do certain things, maybe take up some path. It may be a career path or it may be a hobby, something which you feel really inspired to do, something which you are subconsciously guided, and it is all for your own good, guys. And that activity or that whatever effort you're putting in, it's going to change the way things are in your situation, guys. It is simply going to give you more confidence, give you strength, and you will feel guided. And we often feel let down or pulled down by the challenges we face and all that negative thoughts and emotions that we have, and we are so much afraid. So we need that inner strength, and this card stands for that inner strength, guys. So no matter whatever the circumstances are today, you are lovingly guided and you will have that intuition pointing you towards the right choices today, and you need not fear. And this angel is here assisting us today, giving us that strength and protection that we need in our life today, guys, in our circumstances today. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. That is the reading, guys. So let's see what is the second card for those who chose this card. It is Citrine. So with this card, guys, the energy is that in your situation today, you need to build your relationship with love and trust, and this card stands for joyful expression, happiness, and letting go of all negativity that we have. So the way to build a strong foundation in our relationship through love and trust, how do we do that? It is simply by spending time with that other person, doing something fun, maybe doing some activity that is fun, where you enjoy each other and where you laugh and play around, feel happy, feel adventurous. So this is the time for you to go for that positive attitude or positive things in whatever you are doing. Find something funny or positive to tell that other person, and you will feel joyous, happy, and the same way this person will also feel loved and happy to be with you, spend time with you. And that is the this card, guys, the energy with this card. It stands for happiness and joyful expressions. So the way we enjoy the circumstance, enjoy this relationship with this other person, it inspires them to give up the sadness or whatever pain they have in their heart. So you need not hold back, you need not hold back from being happy today, guys. So this may be your energy or their energy towards you. So you are happy, you are changing the situation for this person, inspiring them, or they are happy with you, inspiring you to be happy. And do not forget, happiness brings more happiness. So you need to be happy no matter what. So this is the time for that, guys, to radiate happiness. So that is the energy with this card, guys, for those who chose this card. So that is the reading for y'all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, guys, you can stay tuned for the readings I post every day. So stay tuned, guys. Thanks again for watching. Bye, guys. Love you all.